Now today we're going to solve a question on trigonometry. This question was asked in IIT-JEE Advanced 2016. The question is we have to calculate the value of summation where two sine functions are multiplied in denominator. So whenever this kind of situation arises, and it's very common for KVPY and IIT-JEE to ask, because previously they have asked this question in 2009 IIT-JEE and KVPY 2009. Both of the links I'm going to paste here. You can check the link. Now whenever this kind of situation arises, whenever you have two sine function in denominator, you just multiply and divide by sine of difference of angle. So let's say the first angle is A angle and the second angle is angle B. Now I'm going to multiply and divide by sine of difference of angle. So if you calculate the difference of angle B minus A, so B minus A will be pi by 4 will cancel out, K pi by 6, K pi by 6 will cancel out, remaining is pi by 6. So I'm going to multiply and divide by difference of angle, that is sine pi by 6. And here I'm going to multiply and divide by sine of B minus A here, and divided by, we have already sine of A and sine of B here. Now I'm going to open this as sine of B cos of A minus cos of B and sine of A here. So once I open, I'll get this as you can see here, you'll get this 2 times, because sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2 and then 2 will come in numerator, and here you'll get this as summation. As you can see, sine B upon sine B will cancel out, cos A upon sine A is cot of A, minus you will get this as sine of A and sine of A will cancel out, you will get cos of B upon sine of B is cot of B here. Now I'm going to substitute the value here, that the value will be equal to 2 times summation cot of A angle. The A angle is pi by 4 plus K minus 1 into pi by 6 minus the second one is cot of the other angle B is pi by 4 plus K pi by 6 here. And this I'm going to solve in the next page. Now here I'm going to put K is equal to 1 here. So 2 times of the series, and I'm going to put K is equal to 1 here. So let's check what we're getting here. So we'll get this as cot of pi by 4 here minus cot of, as you can see here, pi by 4 plus pi by 6. Now next is K is equal to 2. We'll get cot of pi by 4 plus pi by 6 here. If you put minus times, you'll get this as cot of pi by 4 plus 2 pi by 6. And when you put K is equal to 3, you'll get cot of, as you can see here, pi by 4 plus 2 pi by 6 and minus cot of pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 6, as you can see here. And so on, we'll put till K is equal to 13 here. So we'll get this as cot of pi by 4 plus 12 pi by 6 minus cot of, we'll get this as pi by 4 plus 13 pi by 6 here. Now after putting all the values, I got a series, and when I add the series, you will see it's a beautiful telescopic series, because minus times cot pi by 4 plus pi by 6 will cancel out with this, as you can see here. Similarly, minus times cot pi by 4 plus 2 pi by 6 will cancel out with plus times cot of this. And similarly, every alternate cancellation will happen like this. And remaining will be, I'll write here, it will be 2 times of cot of pi by 4 minus, remaining here is cot of, we'll get this as, this is 52 pi plus 6 pi, that is 58 pi divided by 6 here. So we'll get this. So we have to simplify this value. I'm going to simplify this value here. This will be 2 times cot of pi by 4 is 1 minus cot of this, I can write this as, I think I can write this as 29 divided by 3. 29, sorry, the LCM is 24 here. By mistake I've written. Now I can write this as 29 divided by 12. And I can write this as, nearest is I think 2 pi plus something. So I can write this as cot of 2 pi plus 5 pi by 12, as you can see here. So this will be equal to 2 times 1 minus cot of, I think cot of 2 pi plus theta is cot of theta only, that is 5 pi by 12. And I can write the same value as 2 times 1 minus, this will be equal to tan of, as you can see this is 75, right, angle. 5 pi by 12 I'll write here. 5 pi by 12 is 75 degree. This will be equivalent to 10, 15 degree, and 10, 15 degree is known angle. That is 2 minus root 3. So when you multiply inside, 2 and 1 will cancel out and will give you minus 1 plus root 3 here. So answer will be 2 into root 3 minus 1. This will be our final answer for the series. So the series will be equal to 2 times root 3 minus 1. This will be our final answer. And that will be all.